This video focuses on explaining the three parse modes: fast, accurate, and multimodal, and the differences in their parsing results. These modes are primarily designed for handling tables, with the latter two delivering better performance when parsing complex tables. Next, we'll use the same PDF document, featuring mainly complex tables, to demonstrate the parsing results under each of the three modes. First up is the fast mode. It works well for simple, standard tables, but struggles with complex ones. Issues may include poor header parsing, problems with merged cells, and potential data loss. Second is the accurate mode. This mode excels at processing complex tables. Headers are parsed intact, merged cells are handled properly, and data remains mostly complete. Finally, the multimodal mode. It largely reconstructs the original table, even preserving the table's original colors while maintaining good data integrity. Currently, these three modes are mainly optimized for table processing. In the future, our platform will continue to update features for other document elements, aiming to make data parsing even more flawless. To summarize the three parse modes and their strengths: first, fast mode shines with standard, straightforward tables, offering quick processing for simple structures. Next, accurate mode excels at recognizing complex table structures, handling headers and merged cells with precision. And finally, multimodal mode stands out with tables containing handwritten content or those without borders, while preserving original table details like colors. Each mode caters to specific table types, ensuring optimal parsing results based on your document's complexity.